All right, okay, welcome back once again, and I remain your instructor, Bonaventure Tetra. Like I said before, we are going to look into how to achieve this, and then probably let me get something up. How to achieve this? Let me increase the task, and then let's say how to achieve all this. So we're going to make this video very short, so I'll take some rest. It's very simple to achieve this, and I'll show you how it is being done. Oh yeah, let's go. Okay, first I want to achieve the form, which is it form? No, this particular one. This and this is almost the same thing. The difference is that this one has some text on top, while this one doesn't have. Let's go. All right, file upload. Look at my file upload. In this case, I'm going to use okay, is form actually, and I'm going to use this. I'm going to enclose it with form. I don't need any of this, and then enter. So what I'm trying to achieve now is file upload, which is going to be okay. Input type should be my file, and the name should be what? File upload, once I save it, look at what I'm going to have here. What I have here. So this is how it is going to be. Okay, let's give it other commands like okay, let's say accept what? Why is it going to accept? Let's say image or video. So let's save it now. You're going to see the same thing. Okay, let's get other things done, like this choose file or upload. So let's achieve the file upload itself. The upload should be input type. My input type is what? Submit, and the value should be what? The value should be what? Upload. Control save it. You have this. So break this in here so that it will be on the down. As you can see now, you can choose file to upload it. So this is very simple to do, or very simple to achieve. It's as simple as ABC. Alright, in that case, let's still go up to let's still go to the submit. Okay, correct. File upload, correct. Images, all right, I'm correct. So let's talk about this. Let's talk about this date of birth and then time. In case sometimes you might be filling form and you come across, okay, let me make some space down, and then put paragraph here. All right, sometimes you might be filling form and then you will be required to put the date of your birth, your birthday. So in that case, you have to choose input type. The input type should be what? Date. And once you save it, you are going to see something of, you are going to have this. Yeah. Okay. Let's break it here. So once you save it, you're going to see something of this nature, whereby if you click on this, it will open the dates box. If you want to choose older version of older years, you can choose, and then this, it will be here. So this is as simple as that. What about if you want to choose the time? The input type should be what? Time. The input type should be time. As you can see, you can click on this clock to change. Okay, this is the actual time when I'm making this video. It's 2:26 a.m. in the morning. As you can see, my time here is 2:26 a.m. So as you can see, when others are sleeping, I'm awake. 2:26 a.m. So I want it to be okay, 6:28 p.m. You click outside, it will be applied. So these are very simple to get. None of this work is hard. Now let's talk about this. I call it what is it called? Grouping of elements. Grouping of elements. Let me use H1. Grouping of what? Element. Grouping of elements. Grouping of elements. In the grouping of elements, we are going to achieve this. We are going to achieve this. How are you going to achieve that? It's very simple. We are, first of all, we are going to use, what we are going to do is to use what is known as, we used it here, field set. We are going to use field set. We are going to use what? Field set. In our field set, we'll have something like what is it called? Okay, let me say email address. Email. Our email address should be what? Input type is what? Tests. And the name is what? Email. So when you save it, you have something of this nature. This is now, this is our feed set, this is our email. So if you copy it, we have email, we have what again? What I think is in terms of contact details, we have email, we have phone number, we have so many things. Control C, Control V. We have this. It's in parallel. So we have something. Is it text? We have email. We have mobile. We have mobile. Input type. Okay. Name should be what? Mobile. We have input type. This one is what? Mobile. We have another one input type. That should be telephone. Let's use telephone as an instance. Telephone. And after our telephone, here should be what? Telephone. So let's save it. You see what we have: the email, mobile, telephone. Then let's make it look exactly like this one we are seeing here. So we have to break this one, break it, BR. We have to break it here, and we have to break it. Am I correct? Break it here. Control save. We now have this. We now have this here. So let's still break it here. There, and then there, break, line break, there, line break. Control save, Control S. We now have this. This is what we have here now, but it's still remaining. We've not gotten this our contact details. So to get this thing done, you see there is a line here that ended here. This one ended here. So what I'm going to do now is go back to our VS Code, and then inside this feed set, press enter, and then use what we know as legend. We call it legend. Okay, let's give it an attribute. Our legend attribute should be, okay, let's say 5. Let's say the width. The width is what? 5. And what is here? What we have here is contact details. What we have here is contact details. So let's go and put our contact details inside here. Contact details. Control save it. We now have this. This is what we have here. So this is all this work we are seeing here is as simple as ABC. In my next video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert images, videos, how to insert link, how to insert numbers, bulleted numbers, and ordered lists and non-ordered lists on ordered lists, and so many other things I'm going to show you on how I'm going to carry on in our web designing journey. So just stay tuned and then subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube video channel, and then click on the notification bell to be able to receive my video at all time or whenever I upload my new videos. Thank you, and then God bless you.